Are you knackered now?
No.
Yes you are,
No,
because we're on the middle of nowhere.
Oh, even if I were knackered, I've got one.
What? Oh, right. Right, do we know where we are now?
Yes. Neil, I shall.
Well, according to this, we are nowhere. I think it's this way. Come on! Stop playing with your phone. We're in the middle of nowhere. You're not going to get a signal anywhere around here.
I did, but it's from 3.
What,
In
round here?
12 weeks' time, we will be Mr. and Mrs. Wested.
Where are you going?
This way.
Well, all I can hear is crows
What?
and weirdos. What? This is just nothing but bamboos. Yeah? Well, it's the UK version of the Amazon jungle. Hang on. God, this is just silly. Well, there's just nothing but bamboos everywhere. Yeah, I'm just trying to. It's not easy. Oh, what's this over here? Oh, it's like a clearing, but it's just infested in bamboos. Anyway, hang on. Let me just. Have you got any spare knives? I'm trying to get the. Jeez. Hang on. We're trying to get out of this thing. Hang on. Ugh. That's disgusting. I'm not going in there again. Yeah. Yes, and over here we seem to have a half a Christmas tree. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Looks like half a Christmas tree. Sorry, what do you reckon?
I reckon it's a half.
Yeah, right, are we proceeding down the path? Yeah. Now, seeing as I've escaped the bamboos, we'll try and proceed down this path in the middle of this densely packed forest. So, we'll give you an update on that later. Goodbye. Ooh, what's this? In the dark and peaty forest, we have species of animals. What? I'm talking. Don't worry, I avoided it. Yeah. Oh, for God's sake! Did we have to come this way today? Have you got an axe? No. New species of fern tree. Oh, sorry, gotta go. I'm gonna make a scramble for this hill. Oh God. Have you got any mounting gear? Because it's a bit of a scramble. Or do you know the exact route to take? Bloody hell. Hang on, let me just cling onto this tree a minute. Ugh.
Use your feet, not your floppy feet.
For what?
Use
my feet? Right, I'll use my heel.
But don't go on the good side.
No, because there's a great big bloody cliff, that's why. Ta-da!
Didn't you, kid?
We've done it! And that's the end of the war. Goodbye.